Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Minds. I'm Layla.
And I'm Mike. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's super useful and sometimes a little scary: how to start a conversation in English.
How are you today?
Hi, Layla. I'm good. Thank you. And you?
I'm great. Today, I'm excited because we're going to talk about something very useful for English learners.
Yes, I know. It's all about starting conversations. That can be tricky sometimes.
Definitely. Many people feel nervous when they want to speak English with someone new.
The good news is that there are simple ways to start. First, greetings are the easiest.
Right. A friendly hi or hello is enough to start. You can also say good morning or good afternoon.
And after greeting, you can ask a small question like, "How are you?" Or "How's your day?"
Exactly. It doesn't need to be complicated. Just show interest in the other person.
Another tip is to smile. A smile makes the conversation feel friendly.
Yes, people respond positively when you smile. It's simple but very effective.
After greeting, you can also talk about your environment. For example, if you are in a park, you can say, "It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?"
Yes, that's a good idea. It gives the other person something easy to respond to.
And then you can ask more questions to continue the conversation.
That's right. Questions are very important because they keep the conversation going.
But it's better to ask open-ended questions, not just yes or no questions.
Exactly. For example, instead of asking, "Do you like movies?" you can ask, "What kind of movies do you like?"
That way, the other person has to give a longer answer. It makes the conversation more interesting.
And when they answer, it's important to listen carefully.
Yes, listening shows that you care about what they are saying.
After listening, you can add your own opinion. For example, "I like action movies too," or "I prefer comedies."
That's right. Sharing your opinion helps the conversation feel natural.
Another thing to remember is to avoid long pauses. Small pauses are okay, but try not to stop for too long.
Yes. If you don't know what to say, you can ask another question or comment on what they said.
For example, if they say, "I like playing football," you can ask, "How often do you play football?"
Or you can say, "I also like football, but I usually play with friends on weekends."
That's a good example. Sharing something about yourself makes the conversation more equal.
And it's okay to make mistakes. People will understand, and it's part of learning.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Another tip is to use simple words. Don't try to use difficult vocabulary if you're not sure.
Right. Clear and simple language is better than complicated sentences with mistakes.
Also, pay attention to your tone. Speak slowly and clearly, especially if the person is not a native speaker.
That's very true. Speaking clearly helps the other person understand you better.
Now let's talk about topics you can use to start a conversation.
Sure. One good topic is hobbies. Ask someone what they like to do in their free time.
Yes, hobbies are safe and interesting topics. People usually enjoy talking about their hobbies.
Another topic is work or school. You can ask, "What do you do?" or "What are you studying?"
And travel is a great topic too. You can ask, "Have you traveled anywhere recently?" Or, "What is your favorite place to visit?"
Food is also an easy topic. You can ask, "What's your favorite food?" or "Do you like cooking?"
Yes, almost everyone likes talking about food. It's a safe and fun topic.
Movies, music, and TV shows are also good topics. You can ask, "Have you watched a good movie recently?"
Or, "What music do you usually listen to?" People like to share their favorites.
Weather is simple too. You can say, "It's a nice day today, isn't it?" or "It's very cold today."
That's a classic small talk topic. It's easy and natural.
Another way to continue a conversation is to give compliments, but be genuine.
Yes, you can say, "I like your shoes," or "That's a nice bag." It's simple and friendly.
After the compliment, you can ask a related question, like, "Where did you get it?"
That's perfect. It's natural and shows interest.
Also, you can share small personal experiences. For example, "I tried a new restaurant yesterday and it was amazing."
Then the other person can respond and share their experience too. It keeps the conversation flowing.
Talking about daily routines is also useful. You can ask, "What time do you usually wake up?" Or, "Do you exercise every day?"
Yes, and sharing your own routine is helpful. I wake up at 7 a.m. and go for a walk.
It makes the conversation feel equal and friendly.
Another tip is to ask about weekend activities. What do you usually do on weekends?
You can answer, "I usually go shopping or watch a movie," and the other person can share theirs.
Talking about friends and family is also interesting. You can ask, do you have any brothers or sisters?
And you can share, "Yes, I have one brother. He's very funny."
Asking about favorite places is good too. Do you have a favorite restaurant or park?
And sharing your favorites is natural. I love Central Park because it's quiet and beautiful.
Another simple topic is learning. You can ask, are you learning English?
And share your own experience. "Yes, I practice every day by speaking with friends."
That's a good way to encourage conversation and learning.
Talking about books is another option. "Have you read a good book recently?"
You can answer, yes, I read a mystery novel. It was very exciting.
Or about TV shows. "What TV shows do you like?"
That opens up many ideas for conversation.
Music is always a favorite topic. "What music do you listen to?"
And you can share your preferences. I like pop music, but I also enjoy jazz.
You can also ask about movies. "Have you watched a good movie lately?"
Then you can talk about your opinion. I liked it very much. The story was great.
Talking about daily problems is also fine, but keep it light. "I couldn't find my keys this morning."
That's relatable. The other person can share their experience too.
Asking for advice is a good topic. "I want to learn cooking. Do you have tips?"
Sharing simple advice is natural. Start with easy recipes first.
Another topic is sports. "Do you play any sports?"
And sharing your activities. Yes, I play football with friends.
Talking about pets is fun. "Do you have a pet?"
Sharing experiences. Yes, I have a cat. She's very playful.
Asking about favorite restaurants or dishes is also interesting.
Yes, you can ask, what is your favorite food?
And answer yourself. "I love pasta. I cook it every week."
Weekend plans are another safe topic. What are your plans for the weekend?
Sharing plans helps the conversation. "I will visit my friend and watch a movie."
Asking about holidays is also good. Do you have any travel plans?
And you can share experiences. "Last summer I went to the mountains. It was amazing."
Talking about celebrations is fun. Do you celebrate birthdays or holidays with family?
Sharing your traditions helps the conversation. "Yes, we celebrate with food and music."
Asking about learning English is good. How long have you been learning English?
Sharing your experience. "I have been learning for 2 years. I practice every day."
Talking about weather is simple and safe. It's a sunny day today, isn't it?
Or, "It's very hot today. Do you like hot weather?"
Asking about movies, music, food, hobbies, family, friends, daily routines, and travel covers almost all simple conversations.
And don't forget to share your opinions to keep it natural.
Always remember, be confident, smile, and listen carefully.
Mistakes are okay. Learning happens during conversation.
And practice every day. Even small conversations are helpful.
Ask open-ended questions to keep the conversation going.
Share your own experiences. It makes it natural and friendly.
Use simple words. Speak slowly and clearly.
Keep topics light and interesting. Avoid arguments at the beginning.
Compliments are good, but be genuine.
Ask about hobbies, interests, daily life, family, food, music, movies, and weekend plans.
Talking about learning English is safe and encourages the other person.
Daily practice is important. The more you talk, the better you get.
Be patient and confident. Conversations take time to feel natural.
Smile and show interest. That makes a big difference.
Avoid long pauses. If you don't know what to say, ask another question.
Share your opinions after listening. It creates a natural conversation flow.
Talking about pets, books, TV shows, travel, holidays, food, movies, hobbies, and daily routines works very well.
These topics are safe and easy to start.
Remember, conversations are a skill. Practice makes perfect.
Mistakes are part of learning. Don't worry about them.
Confidence is more important than perfection.
Keep practicing every day. Even short conversations are helpful.
Smile, be friendly, ask questions, and share experiences.
Keep topics simple and safe. Avoid complicated vocabulary at first.
Talking about your day and asking about the other person is very effective.
For example, how was your day? Or did you have a good weekend?
Then you can share your own answer. I went shopping and watched a movie.
And the other person can respond. I stayed home and read a book.
You can continue by asking, what book did you read? Or which movie did you watch?
Yes, small questions keep the conversation going naturally.
Sharing small personal stories makes the conversation friendly and easy.
Talking about food, hobbies, music, movies, books, and daily life covers almost all casual conversations.
And always listen carefully. Show interest in the other person.
Use open-ended questions to avoid yes-no answers.
Be confident, smile, and speak clearly.
Mistakes are okay. It's part of learning.
Keep practicing every day to improve your English conversation skills.
That's the key to becoming confident in English.
Remember, simple topics, open-ended questions, sharing your experience, and confidence.
These are the most important tips to start and continue a conversation in English.
Use hobbies, daily routines, family, friends, travel, movies, music, and food as topics.
Ask questions, share your experience, listen carefully, and smile.
Avoid complicated words at first. Speak slowly and clearly.
Small conversations every day help a lot. Confidence grows with practice.
Mistakes are normal, don't worry. Keep learning and speaking.
Conversations are a skill. Practice makes perfect.
Be patient and enjoy speaking English.
Always smile, be friendly, and show interest in the other person.
Remember, starting a conversation is simple. Greetings, questions, and sharing experiences work very well.
And don't forget, confidence and practice are the keys to success.
Keep practicing every day. Even short conversations help a lot.
That's it. These are simple and effective tips to start any conversation in English.
Yes, practice every day, be confident, and enjoy learning English.
Keep smiling and talking. English conversation will become easier and more natural every day.
Great! I hope everyone listening learned something useful today.
Thank you for joining us, and keep practicing English.
See you next time. Keep learning and enjoying English.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and stay confident.